नमस्ते, सदा खुश रहो बिटिया. I, Jeevin Dr. L. K. Sharma, Professor Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today our topic is challenges of democracy. Democracy is a system of government in which the citizen exercise power directly or elect representative from among themselves to form a governing body such as parliament. It is also known as rule of majority. The power cannot be inherited in democracy. People elect their leaders, representatives stand in an election, and the citizens vote for their representative. The representatives with the most number of votes get the power. Major challenges of the democracy in modern scenario are as corruption and inefficiency. In many democratic countries, the political leaders, officers tend to be corrupt, dishonest, and inefficient. They ask for the bribe. This results in lack of trust of the citizens. This affects the working of the democracy in the country very badly. Role of antisocial elements. The role of antisocial elements arises during the elections. A lot of people are forced or bribed to vote for a particular candidate or party. Ringing also take place during the election. Economic and social inequalities among the peoples. There is a lot of social economic inequalities among the people. Although all citizens have a right to vote and fight election, only rich people have a chance to win the election. Casteism and communalism is the major problem. During the election, a large number of voters give weightage to the caste and religion of the candidate. Political party also keep in mind the caste or religion of a person while distributing the tickets for the elections. The representative elected on the basis of the caste or religion for the working and welfare of the people belonging to their caste or religion only. The foundational challenge of making transition to democracy and their instituting democratic government. This involves bringing down the existing democratic, keeping military away from controlling government and establishing a sovereign and state function. Challenges of expansion. This involves applying the basic principles of democratic across all the religions, different social groups and various institutions, ensuring greater power to local government, extension of the federal principle to all the units of the federation, inclusion of women and minority groups, etc. falls under this challenge. This also means that less and less decisions should remain outside the arena of democratic control. Most countries, including India and other democracies like the US, faces these challenges. Challenges of deepening of democracy is faced by every democracy in one form or another. This involves strengthening of the institutions and practices of the democracy. This should happen in such a way that people can realize the expectation of the democracy. Technological changes tend to drive the economic transformation with a vast range of implication for political interest, mobilization and complexity of policy making. Demographic changes is a major force, making it increasingly difficult for the politician to deliver a rising level of benefits and satisfy the popular demands at the time of rising pressure on the health. Increasing socio-economic inequalities and cultural heterogeneity of the national political communities. Social cultural preference formation is a partially autonomous force of democratic change that gave rise to the new demands for democratic autonomy. The continuing expansion of what many 2002 has called the constitutional element of the democracy to determinant of its popular element is also driven by the force internal to the political system. This is all about the challenges of the democracy. If you are facing any problem, then write a comment in a comment box. Thank you.